Hey, what is up guys? Welcome to my channel. So today guys, we are gonna be unboxing the BOYA BY-M1 mic. So let's hop in. Opening up the package guys, we can see the BOYA BY-M1 mics box, and that was the bill. You can see the box is quite good, but there's a small dent on the side of it, but that doesn't matter. Moving on to inside the box guys, we can see a small pouch and there's nothing else in it. Now inside the pouch, this is BOYA BY-M1 mic, and along with that there's a silica gel and a pouch which we will move on to it later. Now let's move it all aside and check out the mic. The mic has two switches which is off and on. It's a good quality strap with BOYA logo on it. Now let's move on to that small package. Okay, this is the small sponge of it, and now here comes the clip. Along with that there's also a small battery for it to work on camera. I told you earlier that it has a switch in on and off. Off is used for smartphones and on is used for camera. Let's put that sponge in the mic, and yeah, it might be a bit difficult, but you'll get the hang of it. Let's also clip in the clip. We can see that it is very long. Now let me show you how to insert the battery. Okay guys, so that was simple. Now let's move on to an audio test of this. Guys, this is on the normal mic and this is on the BOYA BY-M1 mic. So that was the video guys. Don't forget to follow me on my social page. Until then, peace.